guys, at Bridge Mary car boot sale Gosport, absolutely chucking it down with rain. So we are looking at the indoor stalls, seeing what's about, and the ones under the shelf. So let's have a look.
Just need to eat. You hungry, baby? Quite gnarly. You're hungry, baby? Don't do that. God, he's so tame, isn't he?
Look at this weather. Always take the weather with you, Liz.
Yeah.
Okay, some nice reefs for you. Excuse me, Hannah. I know you want more screen time, darling, but fair play to these lot being out today. Cool. Yeah, just between me and you know those silver bangles we just looked at with that lady? They are fake as you like, mate. That's what you got to look out for, guys. Yeah. Just because it's got a stamp on it. She said, oh, it's 925 silver. It might 925 silver. It had 999 stamps on it. I'll tell you now, it weren't silver. So you've got to be look out for some of those road traders. But not everyone's the same. Always wanted a Lamborghini. Nice bits of bobs. Fair play to the people coming out. Horrible weather for you, loving it.
Boiled.
I'll tell you what though, if I needed some sponges, I know who to come to.
Yeah.
Well done. So yeah, this is the school today. Normally, all that concrete bits fill up with traders, big grass at the back, everything out. It's open every Sunday. But obviously, the weather being like this, you've got some traders out there. Look how hardcore they are. Wow. But weather's what it is, isn't it? Bloody miserable. Some cool key rings. Cool. And they're the ones we have for our wedding, Liz.
They were. They actually were.
Wendy made those.
Yeah.
I don't know. Well, you have a look. Nice bunch of flowers. Nah, it's like WD-40, that. We've got guys. Some lighters. All smoking supplies. It's cool. So the most interesting thing that we've seen today is a fox. It's good because it means I ain't got to spend any money. Yeah, well that's the only hall going apparently. We'll have a look at a couple more things for you guys, but it is been rained off by the looks of it. But we'll have a look. Enjoying yourself, Liz? Living your best life? Tell your face that, darling. What we got here then? Let's have a good look at this stuff. Yeah, I know, Luce, it's a fox, yeah. These mean old bowls, £8. Lots of Pokemon. Japanese Pokemon. How cool is that? The Infinite Forbidden. EGO, Legacy of Destruction. Pokemon there, these are all Japanese ones, guys. It's cool, isn't it? Loads of Pokemon stuff. I need to clue myself up on this Pokemon, mate. I've got a clue. I want to. I'll do a little video for YouTube for car boots and stuff. But one of my YouTubers, he says the early sets are the ones that are worth the most money. Yeah, are they called Flash series or something? I don't know. I looked on eBay. Somebody was selling like a pack of 5 cards for like 500 quid or something.
Yeah.
Crazy, yeah.
Yeah, all the sort of like original Voice of the Coast ones, they were quite a bit. I think someone sold just one pack for £800.
800 quid. Mad, isn't it?
And then a full box would be the first editions. Someone had that for about 250,000.
How do you tell if they're first editions?
It's got a first edition label on the front.
It actually
that's
says
only
first
with the-
edition.
Yeah, it's only with the original Voice of the Coast ones.
Okay, cool. Well, definitely want to learn about it because there's loads of it about, isn't there? I got a Pokemon joke. What did they do when Pikachu's eyes fell out? Pokemon. There you go. That's a bit of humour for you today. It's as good as it's getting. What do you think, Cam? Was that a good?
No.
Is that a good joke? Look how miserable she is for that joke.
Yeah. I'm going home.
Oh, miserable. Miserable Hannah. Look at all them things there. They're going to be worth some money, aren't they? Let's zoom in. Look at all them. Hannah, those have got to be worth some money, aren't they?
I used to collect
What are they then?
figures.
What, just like made up characters or what?
No, they're like from. Look. Look at the Read Believers.
I can't read.
Look, the fox is there.
What you do, this fox?
Look at it.
Where is it? And as we look, as the fox, come,
around.
as we come to the car boot, the fox is in its wilderness.
They don't normally get that close, do they?
No, yeah, that was tame.
Let's have a look. Come back to the store in a minute, guys. There's the fox. Hello, Mr. Fox. How brave is he? Did he steal a teddy bear? Bloody hell. We all need a bit of comfort, don't we? Look at this fox. Look at him.
Thinking I normally sit here at the moment.
We got some shrewd buyers today at the car boot. Mr. Fox. Apparently he stole a teddy bear, but they wouldn't let him have it. And as the fox finishes at the car boot, it departs in the wild, looking for a mate on a rainy Sunday.
He's waiting for some food. I'm not his mate.
Let's go look at some of these stalls. Okay, guys, bit of nature in your lives. Got a Doctor Who sets here. Cute serious, actually. There's me on a Sunday morning. A few tools. Can't go wrong with tools. Bit of tape. I am your father. Remember these? Remember these toy soldiers? Used to get them. Remember Toy Story? Little toy soldiers? This is what we used to play with when we were kids back in the 80s. There we go. I mean, fair play to these people coming out this weather. I wouldn't. Not to sell anyway. Some more of those pop figures. Yeah, right. Check these out. Guessing that's Minecraft. Lego. Energy cards. Or Pokemon. It's me when I'm happy. Yeah, you probably shouldn't do that, Liz. I'm not sure though. Wednesday, it's a bit like Hannah. Pokeballs.
baby.
Hey Han, I never knew you were in that TV series. Bloody Wednesday, look.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, she's found something.
So jumpy, aren't you? Their foot.
Well guys, hope you enjoyed that today. Car boot was rained off really. We got her a bit late. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll show you what gets sold on a rainy day at a car boot. Please share, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Or don't say we don't look after you on this channel. Just pop and see me dear old mum. And we've seen some scrap by the bins. So we've got a load of rubbish in those bins there. But I thought I'd film it for you hardcore scrappers. What have we got? We've got a clothesline. Got some poles there. We've got a curtain rail. Nice pot plant. Fridge freezer. Remember, don't take that, guys. We've got an iron board. That'll go in as light iron like that. But if you take the cover off, that'll go in as shearing. You've got a microwave there, ready to strip out for magnets. Your little motor, your copper. Got a Hoover metal pole. That's probably aluminium. Well, definitely is aluminium. You've got a little toaster there. Got a fish tank. You can try and sell. And you've got all these little bits here. Look, picture frames, glass fruit bowl, little lantern to put a candle in, and a little light there. How we doing, Liz?
Yeah, I'm good. I got really wet the car boots, so my hair's all horrible, but it's fine.
You got your lunch?
Got donuts.
You got your lunch?
I bought custard donuts. Ooh.
There you go, guys. Bit of scrap on a rainy day.